From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the euro and the British pound, and you can see that the euro has, in fact, failed to really go anywhere during the trading session on Tuesday, and we're just kind of hanging around 111. And honestly, really, this is how I look at this pair right now. It's a box. We're right in the middle. There's no need to trade it. If we break down below the bottom of the candlestick, then it's probably a 30 or 40 pip move to the downside. If we break above the top of it, then the exact opposite, 30 or 40 pips to the upside. I won't mix words here. I hate this pair. And the reason is because it doesn't move. It just chops around. And this is the last year and a half or so. And you can see, I mean, 8 handles in almost 2 years. 8 handles. So you have to keep that in mind when trading this. Quite frankly, in that entire time, if you just sold the euro and you just waited to be in profit, it would happen. So that's kind of how I approach it. I'm not willing to buy a breakout above the top of the daily candlestick, but I am willing to sell closer to the 200-day EMA. I also recognize that as a day trade. Now, the exact opposite is the British pound. The British pound is testing a major level in the form of the 130 handle. This is all about the election. Once we get that out of the way and hopefully, politics aside, get a conservative parliament that's ready to do Brexit, for traders, it's going to be great because we're going to break out to the upside. We'll finally have certainty, and we can hang on to a 133 and possibly 138 based upon the flag. If for some reason Labor takes over or worse yet gets some type of majority, and nothing I've seen leads me to believe that, this pair will lose 500 pips almost immediately. We do have the golden cross underneath, and I think between now and the election, we're going to see short-term pullbacks trying to chip away at this, people trying to get in ahead. You have time, but if you want to play a small position for that potential breakout, that would make sense as well. But it's going to be like watching paint dry the next couple of sessions pretty quickly, I think.